Check me out. I'm looking at these tools with the eye of the tiger. Looking at the store window like damn I need designer. I'm out here looking for work like damn I need an income. My niggas be swerving with the po right behind them. It's that autumn flow trying to get them green leaves. Killer beat that's fertilizers. Come and get these college degrees. Clever you sarcastic niggas think that you sardonic. I play keys with your bitches. I bet you can't see harmonic. Supersonic passing you at 100. Your stuff on boxes, we don't hear you when you coming. Hold up, we don't even see you, but you talking about you came up. Pull a couple strings, now you think you switched the game up. Look, I'll pull you down and beat you and your puppeteer. I'm focused on success, I have no time for fear. Or to finish up my flow, man, who would even know? I don't know, I have amnesia. Did I say I have amnesia? No, I said I'm in amnesia. Sipping on that lean. She said that I'm too mellow. I told that girl that's me. Yeah, you know I pull up, they turn up the music all the way up. You know that's my shit. When you hear them fucking bass drums, man, I'm dropping in this bitch. My flow is so heavy, you gon' need a forklift to get me out when I'm ready. I'm just taking it steady, or I'ma take it by storm. Collect taxes from these niggas, yeah, you know Caesar's home. They tryna con you for your money, kill you for your money. Off you for some honeys, man, you think this shit is funny. Go to work, I'm a hustle, got that arm and hammer. The niggas stare at you ever since you got that MC Hammer money. They tryna get what is mine. I need my mama to shine, I need my bro off the hook, need my close to my line. I need my shit on the waves, I need my car no delete. I need those 9-carat gold rings and 4 Jesus feet chains. Nigga, I gotta grind, so I gotta shine. You know that's law of the jungle. I'm as humble as they come, but you don't wanna start no trouble. Even if the odds against me, better know I'm ready to rumble. I keep that thing on me. If you gon' pull it, nigga, don't fumble. Yeah. If you gon' pull the shit, don't fumble, nigga. Mizzo. Ha! Yup, nigga. Neo Nice. Just storm to these bitches. You know I just do it for the fun of it now. Damn. Shout out to the beats. Yeah.